Hello, in this video we are going to look at the control statements that you can use when looking at loops. So there's two control statements. There's the break statement and the continue statement. So let's cover the break statement first. So these are used within loops. They can be used within the for loop, the while loop, or the do while loop. It doesn't actually matter. I'm going to keep it simple. Get rid of all of the loops because like I said, the usage is exactly the same in each one. Get rid of that, we don't really need that. So run it just to make sure. Actually, you know what? I'll just do 10 just to keep it simple. So it prints 0 to 9 because it starts at 0 and it's while I is less than 10, not while I is less than or equal to 10. So the break statement, what that does is it breaks out the loop. So it stops the loop from working. So if I do break here, let's see what we get. So it prints out 0. So what happens is it goes through here and it even moans about this. So he says dead code. And the reason it's dead code is because it will break at the end of the first pass. So it declares our I as 0 while I is less than 10, which it is, I++ at the end of each pass. So it prints out I, which is 0. It does break, so it basically exits the for loop. You probably want to use exactly like this. You might have some sort of condition like if I, let's say, equals 8, then you might do a break. So now if you do break, it does break like so. So it prints 0 to 8, but it doesn't print the final value. So that's what break is. So the continue statement, what that does, it just skips the current pass in the loop and it continues with the next pass. And if I duplicate this, and I will actually comment this out as well, like so. So instead, what we're going to do is, let's say if we change this to 5, and if I change this to continue, instead, as you can see, it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, because it's at the end of the loop, sorry. Because it's at the end of the loop, it's going to go into the next iteration. And if I put it before the print line, as you can see, it skipped 5. So it does 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I is 5. It says if I equals 5, which it does, then continue. So that means skip the rest of the path, go back to the start, but before it does that, because it technically ends the path, it increments it, so I is now 6, goes through here again. Is I equal to 6? No, so it prints it out, same with 7, 8, and 9. And that's it for control statements. Those are the two control statements in Java and pretty much every other coding language. If you have any questions about their use cases, feel free to reach out. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Java video.